Hi, hello, namaste. This is your Nikhil Bhokre. Welcome to the next vlog. So, we have purchased this mic adapter. So, this will fix to GoPro, and we have two slots here. This for the charging, and the second one is for the mic. So, this is for the mic, and this one is for the charging port. So, this costed us 4,300 rupees. So actually this is Hero 8, Hero 7 port, and this is supporting Hero 9 as well. So many of you have doubts whether GoPro Hero 7, 8 adapter will support Hero 9 or not, because GoPro has not launched yet Hero 9 adapter. So this is supporting. So let's test this. I have mounted my GoPro mount here, and I have fixed helmet. So you can see the pin coming out from here. So I have fixed this with the double tape. So this is the helmet. Let's test now. So we have searched for online store, but we could not find any GoPro Hero 9. So we called to one of the stores in Banjara Hills, and we went there, and we have taken GoPro by testing there itself, and we have finalized it. So he told that if it is not working, he will take it back. So that's how we were okay with to take the new GoPro adapter from the store. So let's test the mic now. Hope you are all listening to the better quality what we had earlier. Earlier we used to get the huge wind blast. Now we can skip it. So I think you all are listening to proper audio without any disturbance. Yes, there should be some noise from outside, then only the moto vlogging maza. If there is no noise, only audio, pure audio, maza nahi utna. So you should feel that you are also riding. You should feel like you are in helmet. I am expecting only that noise cancellation, not more than that. So today only I set up this. So complete moto vlogging setup. I mounted camera GoPro to my helmet. I have taken mic adapter and from GoPro, and hope we are getting the good audio. We are not getting the wind blast. Yo. So I have mounted the mic in the helmet, bull tape. Now let's stop this video and open the visor and checking the mic condition. We might be getting some wind blast. Comparatively, you are also you can listen to the voice audio what I am talking properly. Hope there will not be any disturbance. So let me close this visor to some more extent. Let me open this. So what you are seeing is the closed view and the closed audio what you are listening to. So let's see how it works in the output. You might be seeing it directly, but I don't know how it is coming now. So finally we had our complete GoPro setup. And also I have noise cancellation for this. I need to add that one, but without that I just mounted this. So if I add the noise cancellation, maybe to some more extent it will increase the audio quality, but I wanted to keep as much as raw as I can, so that you can feel that you are also in a journey along with me. Want to check the breathing audio. If there is any breathing audio coming in, then I should add the noise cancellation mask to the mic. Oh, I'm feeling perfect moto vlogging after this setup. Wanted to ride as early as possible without any delay.